Want to make money while you sleep? In 2025, passive income opportunities are bigger than ever. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale, these 5 powerful income streams can help you earn without working 24/7. Stay tuned as we break down each one. This is Moneymaker, your go-to channel for financial freedom. Let's dive in. Publish ebooks on Amazon. KDP passive income through self-publishing has become a game changer. And Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is one of the best ways to make money while you sleep. With KDP, you can sell ebooks and paperbacks to a global audience, earning royalties every time someone makes a purchase. The best part? You don't need to be a professional writer to get started. Many successful authors use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate content, making the process easier than ever. To begin, you'll need to choose a profitable niche. Some of the most lucrative categories include self-help, finance, business, and fiction. Once you've picked a topic, you can start writing your book or even use AI to assist in content creation. After finishing the manuscript, the next step is formatting it properly using tools like Microsoft Word or Kindle Create. A professional-looking book cover is essential for grabbing attention, so you can either design one yourself using Canva or hire a designer on Fiverr. Once your book is ready, you can upload it to Amazon KDP and set your pricing. To boost sales, consider promoting your book using Amazon ads, social media marketing, and SEO optimized descriptions. Successful authors on KDP make anywhere from $100 to $10,000 per month, depending on book quality, niche demand, and marketing efforts. Sell digital products. Imagine creating something once and selling it over and over again, without the need for restocking, shipping, or customer support. That's the magic of digital products. These are downloadable, reusable items that customers can purchase instantly, making them a highly scalable source of passive income. Whether you have design skills, organizational expertise, or even AI-generated creativity, there's a digital product you can sell to a global audience. Some of the best digital products to sell include Notion templates, which help users stay organized with productivity planners, finance trackers, and goal-setting dashboards. If you're good at design, you can create Canva templates for Instagram posts, business cards, resumes, and presentations, which are always in high demand. Additionally, printable workbooks, journals, habit trackers, and budget planners are popular among people looking to improve their daily lives. Even if you don't have advanced skills, AI-generated content, such as custom poetry, short stories, or niche guides, can be an easy way to create and sell digital products with minimal effort. The best platforms to sell these products include Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, and even your own website. Since digital products don't require inventory or shipping, your primary focus should be on marketing and driving traffic to your store. You can promote your products through Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, creating content that showcases how your templates or printables can help potential buyers. With the right niche and marketing strategy, selling digital products can earn you anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month, and in some cases even more. The key is to create high-quality, valuable products that people actually need and market them effectively. Once your shop is set up and traffic starts flowing, this can become a true passive income stream, allowing you to make money on autopilot with little to no ongoing effort. Affiliate marketing. Imagine getting paid just for recommending products you already use and love. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's a passive income stream where you promote other companies' products and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The best part? You don't need to create, stock, or ship any products yourself. Just share valuable recommendations and let the companies handle the rest. Getting started with affiliate marketing is simple. First, sign up for popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, or Impact. These platforms offer a wide variety of products you can promote. Next, you'll need to choose a niche. Some of the most profitable ones include tech gadgets, fitness gear, AI tools, finance services, and online courses. Picking a niche you're passionate about will make content creation easier and more authentic. Once you've chosen your niche, start creating engaging content to promote the products. You can do this through YouTube videos, blogs, TikTok reviews, Instagram posts, or even email newsletters. The key is to provide value, whether it's through product reviews, tutorials, or comparison guides. When your audience clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, which can range from a few dollars to hundreds per sale, depending on the product. Affiliate marketing is a scalable income stream. With consistency and the right strategy, you can go from earning $50 per month to $20,000 or more. The more traffic you drive to your links, the more you can earn. Over time, with SEO optimized content and a loyal audience, your affiliate links can generate passive income on autopilot, allowing you to make money even while you sleep. Monetize AI-generated YouTube videos. When people think of YouTube, they often imagine vloggers and influencers on camera. But the truth is, you don't even need to show your face to make money on YouTube. With the rise of AI-powered tools, you can create high-quality, faceless videos that generate revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. This makes YouTube one of the best passive income opportunities, especially for those who prefer to work behind the scenes. To get started, you need to choose a profitable niche. Some of the most successful niches for AI-generated content include AI news, personal finance, tech reviews, motivation, travel guides, and history documentaries. Picking the right niche is crucial because it determines the kind of audience you attract and how much you can earn from YouTube ad revenue and sponsorships. Once you have a niche in mind, the next step is creating videos efficiently using AI tools. Platforms like Pictory, HeyGen, and Synthesia allow you to generate videos using AI-generated voiceovers, stock footage, and even AI avatars, so you don't need to record anything yourself. Consistency is key when it comes to growing a YouTube channel. You should upload videos regularly and optimize them for SEO by using relevant titles, descriptions, and keywords to increase visibility. The more your videos rank on search results and appear in recommendations, the more views and revenue you'll earn. YouTube monetization kicks in once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, allowing you to earn money from ads. However, you can also boost your income through sponsorships and affiliate links by promoting relevant products in your niche. The earning potential on YouTube is massive, ranging from $1,000 to $100,000 per month, depending on your content quality, niche, and audience size. The best part, once your videos are uploaded, they keep generating income indefinitely, making this a powerful long-term passive income strategy. If you're looking for a way to make money online without being on camera, AI-generated YouTube videos could be your golden ticket to financial freedom. Invest in dividend stocks and crypto staking. If you're looking for a truly hands-off way to earn passive income, investing is one of the best strategies. Unlike businesses or side hustles that require active effort, investments work for you 24/7, generating money without constant management. By putting your money into dividend stocks, crypto staking, or real estate crowdfunding, you can build a portfolio that pays you consistently with little to no ongoing work. One of the safest and most proven passive income streams is dividend stock investing. Companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Microsoft pay regular dividends to their shareholders, meaning you earn money just for holding their stock. The more shares you own, the higher your quarterly or monthly payouts. Over time, by reinvesting these dividends, you can grow your portfolio exponentially and create a steady income stream. For those interested in the crypto space, staking offers another great opportunity to earn passive rewards. By staking coins like Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano, you help secure the blockchain network and, in return, receive staking rewards, similar to earning interest on a savings account. While crypto markets can be volatile, staking allows you to generate passive income without actively trading. Another option for passive investing is real estate crowdfunding, which allows you to own a share of real estate properties without buying a home yourself. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you invest in rental properties and commercial real estate with low capital, earning passive income through rental dividends and property appreciation. With a well-balanced investment strategy, you can make anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on how much capital you invest. While these methods require some initial money up front, they provide long-term financial security and allow you to earn true passive income without having to put in daily effort. And there you have it, 5 amazing ways to earn passive income in 2025. Whether you choose to publish ebooks, sell digital products, or invest in dividend stocks, these methods can help you achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money-making tips every week. This is Moneymaker, helping you turn your time into wealth.